And once again, hello everybody, my name is Keen. Today we're right here at Jurong Point because we're gonna show you all the different facilities and amenities. Uh, uh, well, actually, we are here at Boon Lay because we have a very beautiful executive apartment that is spacious, high floor and bright that we'd like to showcase to you. And what are you waiting for? Let's go! And right now we're in the unit. This is a unit that has 139 square meters. Coming in from the entrance, you get to see the long, spacious dining area. You can put even a 10-seater. So if you are one who loves space, like me, this is the unit for you. It's north facing. The owner has put in the effort to actually extend the balcony so that you have an even bigger living space. You can put in a huge L-shaped sofa. You can have the whole wall with your built-in TV console, and you can do so much like having a study area right by the balcony, windy, bright, and you will not have any afternoon or evening sun. And if you are looking at the floor plan, this is where the designated study area is supposed to be. And this area is spacious and big enough for you to create a 4th bedroom. Alright, so you can imagine if you have a big family, you will definitely have a space for every individual to put in a bed, to put in the wardrobe, and it even comes with its own window. Like what I have shared with every one of you, there's no morning sun, no afternoon sun, sleep in late, all you want. And right now we're in the kitchen. If you're looking at the floor plan, you would have noticed that the owner did some reconfiguration to the opening. Alright, because the original opening is facing towards the main door, but they wanted to keep it more private. So what we have right here, the stove area, and we have a separate washing area. So you have it in a very squarish layout, so you can reconfigure it to something that you really love. But what I really love about this unit is the spacious yard. To be very honest, you will no longer find this around, for a lot of the HDBs out there. So I think this is great because even right here, you can put your washer, you can put your dryer, you can still put a racking system outside when you're hanging your clothes dry. So what are you waiting for? If you are a lover of spacious kitchen, this is definitely what you are looking for. And walking down the common corridor, this is the 1st bedroom that you will get to see. This is spacious with a built-in cabinet. You can choose to remove it and create something of your own. This is spacious enough for even a king-size bed. And you will still have a space for your study area. You have space for hanging of your clothes, and most importantly, the window view is magnificent. Unblocked, far from the neighbors, most importantly, windy. And here we are at the 2nd bedroom. This is the only squarish bedroom you will be able to find in this entire unit. It is also spacious enough for you to put in definitely your queen-size bed, maybe a little bit squeezy for king size, but I'm sure you will know what to do with your future home. When you walk into the master bedroom, what greets you is a lovely bathtub. So what's greater than having a soak after a hard day's work, right? But that's not all, because what we have right here is a very spacious master. It is big enough even for you to design a walk-in wardrobe, and definitely it can fit in a king-size bed easily. And if you were to look at how the layout of the windows are, you get multiple angled views, which also ensures that you have a very windy bedroom. Units right in this area are highly sought after for its accessibility. We are just 1 minute away from Jurong Point. Whether you're looking for food, whether you're looking for other amenities, it is all a stone's throw away. And that's not all, because it is located less than 3 minutes walking distance from Boon Lay MRT. If you really love the greeneries and outdoor space, we have parks such as the Jurong Central Park and also the Boon Lay Nature Garden. You are also surrounded by multiple bus stops. So you have already seen the beautiful executive apartment that I've showcased to all of you. If you are interested, if you are keen, remember to contact me with the number below. I'll be waiting for your call.